on YouTube, guys. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, if you have forgotten, because it has been many weeks since my last upload. But I'm coming onto YouTube just with this little mini intro. Honestly, I filmed like a bunch of just clips here and there as I was gone. So instead of scrapping all of that footage, I thought I would place it in here and just kind of update you guys on what I've been up to over the past 2 or 3 weeks since you last saw me. Obviously, I was doing the Ramadan daily, and although I didn't finish it, I was, you know, I was uploading like basically every day for 3 weeks. So I'm sure you guys enjoyed that, but I wanted to vlog more of my Eid. I'm not really sure how much I got. I haven't really looked over the footage, but hopefully you guys enjoy this video anyways. I hope everyone had a wonderful Eid regardless of the circumstances, obviously with, you know, everything going on in Palestine. I've been, you know, keeping up to date with everything on Instagram. So if you guys follow my Instagram and have been seeing my stories, you've been seeing kind of everything. And it kind of put a damper on Eid, I feel like. You know, I tried to enjoy it as much as possible, but like, you know, the day before all of the attacks on Al-Aqsa, the day of Eid, there was attacks on Gaza. Like, it was just, it was a lot. So to any of you guys who are Palestinian, who have family in Palestine, who have been struggling with, you know, the crisis happening there, my heart goes out to you guys, and inshallah we will see a free Palestine in the future. But you know, I still tried to enjoy my time off, and it was really nice to just kind of like disconnect in a way from like YouTube, and I was a little bit more disconnected off social media as well, and it was just a really nice break and much needed break. So thank you for letting me take that. I've been seeing all your DMs and messages and comments saying, you know, you missed my face on YouTube, so we are back. There's gonna be more content very soon, inshallah. I'm really excited to get back into it. I truly do miss making content for you guys, so stay tuned for that. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love for you guys to subscribe. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video for what it is. Like I mentioned, haven't looked over the footage, so it may be all over the place. I've been all over the place, but regardless, I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in a second, but also I will see you in my next video. I'm actually on my way to Dallas today, so I feel like this is gonna be a little bit of like a collective vlog of me there, but I have my bag packed. As you can see, I am not a light packer, even though it's just for a week. I took 53 pounds worth of stuff, but you know, it is what it is. I literally slept after Fajr, so I'm running on like 3 hours of sleep. I'm sure you can hear it in my voice. I am deciding to fast today, even though I'm traveling, just because what else am I gonna do? Eat on the plane? Like, I might as well just fast. So yeah, I literally was like cleaning last night. I washed my hair. I was blow drying my hair at like 4 in the morning. I'm insane, but I'm really looking forward to this trip. I finished all my work in time, alhamdulillah. And yeah, I'm just gonna actually be able to relax and enjoy my time with friends. So that'll be a good time. Say goodbye to this house. I wonder if the roses will last. I like filled them up with a ton of water to see if they'll actually last until I get back. I don't think they will, because they look like they're like pretty full bloom right now. But yeah, I will see you guys probably in Dallas. I don't know when the next time I'm gonna vlog is. I don't know how frequently I'm gonna vlog either, just because, you know, it's around people who aren't familiar with like my YouTube channel and stuff, or not that they're not familiar with it, but not like used to me just whipping out a camera. So we shall see. I feel like most of them will be totally cool with it though, so I'm excited. I will see you guys in Dallas. All right, so it's clearly past Ramadan at this point. I am in Dallas at my friend's house. Hi guys! This is Siham. Also known as @Siham Muhammad. Actually, I don't know your Instagram.
Yeah, you did.
It is? Okay.
Siham underscore.
Exactly. We have been chilling for the past, how many days have we been here?
Okay, so what's today?
She wants to get it so badly.
There she is.
We've been chilling since, I came Friday night, or did I come Saturday?
You came Friday. She came Friday.
And today's Wednesday.
Today's Wednesday, guys.
So that tells you how bad I've been at vlogging.
Let me say something.
Okay, Dina, this is the dinosaur. This is the monster that is gonna infiltrate my vlogs.
Dinosaur? Don't scare them.
So if you wonder where I've been for the past week, this is who I've been hanging with.
Camera.
Yeah. You're gonna be on YouTube. Remember how I told you I'm on YouTube? You're gonna see on YouTube.
Who's that?
You're gonna be on YouTube. Say hi.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Nina.
Say, I'm Dina.
I'm Dina.
Yep.
Oh. Pandas is Kakamila. I'm in Asia, California.
You're not in California. You're in Dallas, Texas.
Dallas,
honey.
Texas.
So anyways, we are making Siham's famous cinnamon rolls. I have been, okay, listen, this girl posts on her story all the time about these famous cinnamon rolls. And all week I've been like, actually the first thing I said after I got off the plane was like, I need Siham's cinnamon rolls.
Literally.
And we have not made them. Today's the day before Eid. It's the last day of Ramadan. I'm like, girl, we making them. We making them. So
We are so excited.
we are. So I thought I would finally, oh my god, this girl literally just wants to be, she's bringing her own chair just so she can, so she can be in the camera.
Not Aisha's vlog, it is
It's Dina's
vlog.
It's
okay?
Dina's vlog, for real, for real.
Alright.
How you did?
Alright, Dina. Oh,
Cheers.
she's Australian, by the way.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
It's not the fake Australian accent that I always try to make.
Okay, she's actually pretty good at it. Like, let's be real. She's really good at it.
Hey, smile.
Because a lot of Americans that try, or Canadians, sound British.
Exactly.
I'm gonna try talking to me in Australian accent the whole time.
Yeah, of course.
Take two.
So today we're gonna be making Siham's famous cinnamon rolls.
Yeah.
And the secret ingredient is lots of butter
A lot of
and
butter.
lots of sugar and room temperature ingredients.
That's
that
a
correct?
yep.
There you go. And whipped cream, I think. Dina, Dinicha, you're gonna need to chill, okay?
No, we can't chill. We can't.
You can't chill?
She says we can't chill.
Alrighty.
Okay, we need some warm milk. 1 cup of warm milk.
Is this microwavable?
Yeah.
Man, I feel bad. You literally just came back from work and I'm putting you to work already.
That's okay, listen. So, let me tell you guys something about me and Aisha. We see each other and we go into relaxed mode, okay?
Literally.
Actually, no, the last time you came, we were like out and
We
doing
were
stuff
out like
all the time.
All the time, yeah.
But listen, I've been working. I feel so bad because I've been working every day.
And I've been chilling in her bed in her room. It's fine though. Honestly, I had the busiest Ramadan, so it's been really nice to just come here and like chill.
Relax, breathe.
Actually relax for once.
I think we see each other and we're melatonins.
Yeah,
like, I
literally we just like pass out.
Okay.
I'm so sad because I really wanted to vlog. Okay, we had this like massive iftar
Oh
all
my
together on
God.
Saturday, like the day after I came. And it was so much fun. There was like, what, like 25, 30 people here. There was a lot of
It was
people
a lot
here.
of people. It was a full house.
We cooked all day, like literally all
All
the women
day.
were in the kitchen
all day.
all day. It was so much fun.
It was so fun. And you know what they say? Like, when you have such a good time, you don't, like...
you never take pictures or whatever. So literally,
Oh my God!
not one photo the entire night. Like, we had
my
this
God.
gorgeous setup.
Oh my God.
All of shoes, like her aunt's like decorations and it looked, mashallah,
MashaAllah. Like,
so beautiful.
it broke my heart a little bit.
And at the end of the night, we're like, did we even take one photo of the food?
Not even like a little glimpse.
Nothing. Like,
Not even,
yeah,
wow, look.
nothing.
Have falafel?
Oh,
If you guys haven't tried it, please, please. Did you grab your hummus recipe?
I don't think I did. I've shared it before, my hummus recipe.
Oh my God, guys.
But it was, I'll have to do it again.
Guys,
sometimes outside
it's
of Ramadan.
so good. Like,
Yeah.
I'm gonna start judging every falafel now. We are gonna make, okay, I don't know if you guys know the secret to, like, yeast. Raising the yeast?
Rising the yeast.
Rising
Yeah,
the
that
yeast?
actually was super
Okay.
quick too. She just put like 1 teaspoon of sugar in there and she thick.
Shit thick.
Thick.
So we're gonna put some milk.
Oh my god, why does butter look so good right now? I'm so hungry. We're still fasting.
We're
It's the
still
last day of
fasting and I'm like,
Ramadan.
oh, should I lick it?
Yeah, I have no
Ew.
idea when this video is being published, but it's still Ramadan for us.
Yes, little Ramadan. One more day.
Yeah.
One more day, guys.
And then it's Eid
And
tomorrow.
then it's Eid.
Wow, did you do wudu? Dina, did you do wudu? Why are you covered in water? Did you do wudu? Did you take a shower? I thought you said you were washing your hands. How come your whole head is wet?
Because my hair's still potato, but I need to fix it.
Your hair was bututu, so you need to fix it? Oh, okay, y'all. Bututu means
Messy.
messy, unkept. The technical word is buttu. but in our culture we say butu bututu. So she just took along bututu.
Yeah.
And she wakes up in the morning. The first thing she does is says, "Keep my hair is bututu. I need to change my outfit. I need to get out of my sleeping. What is it? My pajama. I'm bututu." And then Dina says that, and then when she gets her hair done, she says, "Look at me. I'm beautiful." Right?
Dina's so beautiful.
Dina's so beautiful. She knows it too.
All right, guys. So we have warm milk in here. We have yeast. We have some sugar. We have some butter. We have a little bit of salt. We want to crack some eggs. I guess we're gonna go skating tomorrow.
We are?
I think a lot of people are agreeing with.
Really? Yay!
Guys,
we're going roller skating for ease. You ain't going nowhere, child. You ain't going.
I like to move.
Eat.
Wow.
Wow.
Why is it getting so deft? Go, shoot, 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 shoot.
4.5 cups, y'all. 4.5 cups. Okay? If you guys actually try this, please let Aysha know or like me know.
I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description below.
So good. It's crackling. Okay. I don't need to stop saying crack. But it's so good. Whatever.
So now what?
So now we're gonna knead it.
With my hands.
With your
Can I
hands.
mix
Give it
first?
some love. Give it a
mix it
whole
first?
bunch of love.
Can I mix it first? Or is it better with my hands?
You sound British.
I know. It
Sound
switches sometimes, you know.
Oh, okay.
It's okay, we have an Australian and then we have a British.
A British, okay. Oh, you know what? That's even better because you guys can tell the difference.
Exactly. I've been dreaming about these cinnamon rolls.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I think I can use my hands.
Do you guys ever go through this thing where like you hype something up or like you see it and then all of a sudden the day you try it,
it doesn't work out.
horrible.
No. It's not gonna be like that this time.
Oh. Guys,
How do you used to go?
it was our first time tasting beef jerky. That we found halal ones.
So good.
So good.
Wait, what's the brand? Show them the brand.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Lisa.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
It's called
Sharifa?
Sharifa Halal.
So good.
I don't know. It was that good. I'm like, and I always used to see it because I mean we both
Gas
eat halal, right? We see it at
stations,
gas stations. People be snacking on that stuff. Looks so good.
This girl, Dina, is literally listening to music. She has her headphones on and they're not even plugged into anything. And she's pretending like she's dancing to something.
She has such good imagination, y'all. It's not even funny. Like, this child's gonna be so creative.
For real. Going ham on that dough. Okay, so made the topping and the filling. This is the filling. It has brown sugar, cinnamon, butter, and then I don't know what this has, but it looks so good.
It's butter, cream cheese, vanilla extract, and powder sugar.
Oh my god. If I wasn't fasting, I would just... You let it rise for, what did you say, like 2 hours? Mm-hmm. She got thick. Real thick. Wow, so smooth.
Smooth criminal.
Say Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
I will not believe she puts whipping cream on top of it. All right, go ahead.
Y'all,
I've never heard of that.
just try it. Don't ask questions, okay?
Interesting. Does it like make them more moist?
Moist and sticky and just so delicious.
And this is as they're raw before they go into the oven.
Yeah, before they go into the oven.
It smells so good in here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What else you gonna do? You tell them makara bohala.
Oh, baby.
I'm gonna let this smell on it while it's hot.
How much? Only that.
Oh my god.
All right.
Oh my god.
You ready?
Look at that. Oh my god.
Yes.
Cinnabon who?
Cinnabon who?
Cinnabon where?
All right. Let's see. Stop playing.
No, open the door, okay? Because you cannot open the door when you're sleeping.
This is the best cinnamon roll. Siham, what did you do?
It's my fingers, honey.
I could taste the diabetes. Oh yeah, them rolls one. We're getting rolls tonight. They're gonna be showing up on the side tomorrow.
They're gonna be showing up for Eid tomorrow.
Yep, exactly.
Eid Mubarak rolls.
Eid Mubarak from me and my rolls. 13 out of 10.
Stop.
20 out of 10.
Y'all better stop playing. I better open a Cinnabon
No,
store.
for real, for real. This is better than Cinnabon. Like, I'm not even just saying that. Hold on. It's so good.
Thank you.
MashaAllah. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below, guys. You have to try this. I don't know if it's gonna turn out as good because it doesn't have Siham's love in it, you know?
Yo, I beat that up.
She really did, MashaAllah. So unfortunately that is all the clips that I got from Dallas. It was basically just us making cinnamon buns that were so good. The recipe's below. But on Eid, I think I have like a couple clips of Eid, but honestly we woke up really early. We made fatira in the morning, which is like this really delicious Ethiopian, I don't even know what to call it. It's kind of like bread with meat and eggs inside of it. It's so delicious. We made that, and then we watched the kids unwrap their presents, which was so cute. And then I just had a couple more days left in Dallas, spent some time with some friends, and came back to LA literally Saturday night, only to repack, do laundry, and head to Palm Springs the next morning with some of my friends. I haven't started yet, and I already have hot sauce on my pants. And your shirt. Yeah, and my shirt, actually both sleeves. I wanted to vlog a little bit of this trip, but honestly we were just in our bathing suits chilling by the pool the entire time. It was really fun, and I totally get the hype of Palm Springs now. Like, I want to go back just by myself and like enjoy my pool, and just, it was amazing. Yeah, and then what else did I do? I came back and I took some photos for my friend. So I am back in LA, and I'm here with my girl Sija. Hello. She actually just graduated with her master's. Oh my gosh. And we are at her campus, USC, which she actually never really took a class on because of the pandemic. But we're taking photos, taking her grad photos, and this is actually my first time on the USC campus too. It's actually really cute. Oh, the lighting is like literally flawless. And that is the end of the vlog. I hope this kind of catches you up on where I've been over the past couple of weeks, and hopefully you enjoyed seeing the little clips. And our little friend Dina from Dallas, she is literally the cutest thing. I already miss her so much. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, get excited for new videos to come over the next couple weeks, and I hope everyone is having a lovely week and day in whatever time you're watching this, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone. Mwah.